Okay. Wow. So um on 31st, that's on December 31st, 2024. I mean, that is just few days back. I decided to delete my most of my platforms. I deleted my LinkedIn, and the interesting thing is that I recently crossed 15,000 followers on LinkedIn, but I had to delete the app from my phone. Then I also deleted some of my other social media platforms, my WhatsApp, my LinkedIn, my Instagram, my Facebook was even long gone, right? And the reason why I'm doing all of those is because in 2025, I decided to just focus on me, and with little to no distraction, and just build my life. And honestly, I have a couple of things maybe I will share. I don't know. Just keep watching. I might eventually decide to share some of my goals and all in this video without it getting too long. But this video is just to talk about the fact that I'm actually off social media. I'm active on YouTube. I'm available on YouTube anyways, but like I'm off all the social media platforms, and I just want to focus on building me. And the reason why I might be doing videos like this um again and again and again and again, to share my journey, right? My journey during the break. How it's going, and sharing my progress. That's the word. That's the right word. Sharing my progress, even as I journey through the year, without social media. I don't know how that is going to still happen, because my life is literally social media. I work, right? I'm a freelancer, and I work. I'm also a digital. I sell digital products. So I get clients from social media. So literally, my business is aimed on social media. Like social media is just where my funds come from, right? And I'm a student, by the way. So I'm a student in one of the federal universities in Nigeria, and I'm 20-year-old, by the way. So, well, that's not by the way, because that's me. I'm 20-year-old, and I just feel like this 20 is the best time to actually just take this break. I was feeling like there would be something unusual about this age. When I turned 20 on July 19th, that was last year, I just knew that there was something unusual. In fact, if you check my page on Facebook, Iniolu Amobolo, or maybe if you can go back to my LinkedIn post, the one I dropped on my birthday, around the ending part, I remember that I typed in something there. I said this is 20. After dropping the long episode talking about my birthday, talking about my progress so far, the fact that I've made impact on people's life and all of those stuff, and just thanking God and just sharing, and just talking, right? At the end of that particular post, I mentioned that, oh, this is 20 and this is a serious year. So I just knew that there was something so serious about this year. I couldn't exactly place my end on what is serious about the year, but I just knew that no, there's actually something serious about the year. But it was eventually some months after that I began to realize that okay, I think it's time for the break. I think it's time for the break that you've been softly contemplating for months and maybe even years. Well, not years technically, but like for months, for a long time. I think for over 1 year, because I've actually been looking for a way to get back my life. And when I say get back my life, I'm talking about achieve the balance that I want, where my spiritual life can be balanced with my academics, can also be balanced with my business. All of these are still a part of my life, but then it's been a struggle, a bit of a struggle balancing all of these areas of my life without any of them suffering. And that is one of the reasons why I'm actually taking the break, to balance my life, to achieve um to achieve balance, right? And when I say balance, it's not about equality, it's not about equality, it's not about every area of being equal or getting equal attention. That is not it. I've spoken about this. I mean, I've thought about this. I've taught my community around this before. I don't know if you want me to create a video on that. I mean, if you want me, you can let me know in the comment section. Maybe I can create a short YouTube video around that. But I mean, this is something I've always been sharing with my WhatsApp community, with my value up community, and I've shared that balance is not about equality or equal attention, because we will never be able to really give all of them equal attention, but it's about effectively combining everything. So that's what I mean by the balance. So I've not been able to effectively combine everything without one of them suffering, right? I mean, people that follow me most likely would not see that, but I mean, I'm the one that know, because I'm still growing. So at the same time, I don't want to put, I mean, I understand that it is normal, right? I mean, I understand that it is actually normal. It's just a part of growth, right? And that is why I'm taking time off so that I can really work on myself, so that I don't just keep showing up for people, making impact on the lives of thousands of people, and maybe making money without really working on myself. And I just feel like, you know what, 20 is the best time to do this. Age 20, so that I'm able to lay a solid foundation for my 20s, right? Because I know that this is another level, right? It is not just another age, it is also another level, it is also another stage of my life. It is another floor, like they used to call it. This is another floor entirely, and I need to lay a solid foundation that I can build on in the rest for the rest of my years in my 20s. And so it's a very intentional one for me, and that is why I decided to be intentional, because it's going to be an amazing ride. There are some kind of results I desire that I know that I can't get if I continue just moving the way I've been moving. I mean, I've done amazing things. If you know me or if you follow my pages, you would know that I've directly impacted thousands of lives, at least 10,000 young faces directly. So I mean, I've, as much as possible, I've invested in people. I've literally spent the past 3 years of my life doing that, and at the same time too, I've also invested in myself, right? I constantly invest in myself because I am a big fan of learning. Like, I learn madly. I'm actually very invested in learning because I believe that that is how I survive, and that is how I've actually been able to do the little I've been able to do. And so I mean, this break is just going to be, I feel like it's actually going to be interesting. I mean, I'm still trying to adapt, I'm still trying to adjust. This is 2nd of January. I'm recording this video. I don't know when this will be up anyways, but I'm recording this video on the 2nd of January, and I mean, I'm still trying to adjust into this new kind of life, but I'll be fine. I have a fun year that I actually go. Yes. So I got this phone because this is it. I don't know if you can see it. Yes. Okay. Yes. We call it Tonosobe. So I got this phone in I got this in December, and that was when I sold my other phone, because I mean, I felt like there was no point holding two phones when it won't be useful next year. So I just sold it off, and then I bought this because it's a way of just helping me focus. So I put I'll most likely be just dump this phone I'm using to record. I'll most likely just dump it somewhere for the major part of the year. I mean, I'll have to use it anyways because of school updates and all of that, because I'm still a student, like I said earlier. And so, but yeah, that's just it. So I'll be on, I mean, my break has started already, and let me know if you want me to actually keep sharing my progress. And yeah, I think in another video I will talk about my goals for the break, right? What I aim to achieve, because like I said, I don't want to promise you, but I think I would try to kind of take you along the journey, and take you along along my progress, right? So I mean, if you're interested, let me know. Yeah. So anyways, thank you for watching this video. I mean, it was just me talking and talking and talking, but let me know if this video did anything to you, maybe inspire you or something. I mean, I'm not saying go on break, so I don't know, but I don't think I want this video to inspire people to go on a break, because before you go on a break, you need to have structures, right? You don't just go on a break because you want to go on a break. If not, it might not be sustainable. So you need to have like financial structure, especially if you're someone that has been making money before. And I mean, you need to have financial structure. You also need to have other things you put in place before you just go on a break. Let me also know if you want to know the things I did as a way of I mean setting structure for the break. Let me know if you want to know, that I might decide to share. Anyway, that's it. And I'm in Iski anyways, and hopefully you get to see me more on your screen this year. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Yeah.